see, I have to start with Milliput.
So there is the fixed. Do you think it was actually a piano baby? So we've seen these advertised as piano babies, and they're the sort of thing, they're basically piano babies, are little ornaments that would sit on pianos.
Yeah, some of them were naked. Well, not naked, they had nappies on.
So we're going to call this one a piano baby, and as a play on that, we're going to make this little one sit up at a piano. I am really, I think it's really cute. I think the head, obviously it's got a little bit of a long neck, but people have long necks.
We didn't have a choice.
Yeah. But once we've like painted it and aged it, I think it matches really well. The little hat and the nightie, yeah. It's absolutely adorable. So we have this old vintage doll's house piano. And don't worry, we're not going to do anything to it.
Well, we are. We're going to stick this down because this bit's broken.
Only with putty, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're going to give it a new...
Yeah, with putty. Nothing permanent. And we're going to make a stool. And the baby's going to be sat up at the piano. Or maybe sat on the piano. I don't know. Right. So, for a stool, thinking... collar stud feet and should we decide a paint pan top?
Possibly, yeah. And stuff, you know, make it like a stuffed cushion.
So we've got this one which has seen better days. Maybe this one? I'm not sure these are going to work unless... No, it's not big enough.
Well, maybe that's why we need a double one. Maybe we need to try and do that one up. A double one would work, wouldn't it? With just two. It'd be tall enough. I can't. It's difficult to tell, isn't it? It'd be tall enough.
Well, they'd fit.
And then we could paint it, sort of sand it down and paint it white, maybe. Oh, I suppose it should be brown. It's a piano stool. We can pretend to make it to look like wood.
Should we put the fabric in before we stick the...
Well, no, we need to paint it and everything before we put the fabric in.
Oh, we're going to paint this one because it is beyond sort of help. So we're going to paint this. Collar studs.
Let's stick the collar studs on first and paint it all in one go.
Yeah, okay. Even?
Need black?
I don't think so.
Sure? No. Oh, I might know. I'm going to paint the baby first. Done white. Yeah, white. No. That's it. The colours are burnt sienna. yellow ochre as well, I think. And a tiny piece of black. This just comes out in a rush. There's nothing you could do about that. Okay. Maybe in the water. Not dark enough. Waiting for that to dry. Do the piano stool. Okay, what's the colour of wood? This colour. Let's try and make it this colour wood. All painted. It roughly looks like wood, but it looks like wood because it's kind of melted as well. We need to stuff it, but it's not quite dry yet. And there's the little boy in his nightcap.
So in last week's video on the other channel?
Yeah.
Or this video coming?
One I found on each video, I think.
Okay.
So I don't know which way round it was.
And this really beautiful decorated piece of metal. Not sure what it was. It's got a flower, but probably had...
I think it's had a stone in it. I think it was a piece of jewellery.
So we think we're going to use this temporarily as the sheet holder.
I found this piece too. I mean, this is very good for craft. Don't know what yet, but it's very beautiful. It's bits like that that are perfect, aren't they?
We need to go in and get the excess out.
I need to get the piano music, don't I?
Yes, where is the sheet music?
In the suitcase. Oh, suitcase of newspaper, the good bits. Sheet music.
What do we think it says? What music is it?
What?
If you are short of money, honey, use your voice before you use that coffee pot. Sing before breakfast, never cry.
More.
Ooh.
Drop it.
This says,
More.
I see it's your little name, looking. It's a shame I can't really read music.
I can read music, but that's very complicated music.
Yes, it is.
That's yeah, these bits. I don't really understand those bits. Lots of it.
Oh, that bit would be good because it's got the start. It's got the treble clef. Is that what it's called?
Yeah. Well, is that the only one that has a start?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Use that one.
I think that'd be pretty.
Hmm.
Something Fields, additional lyrics. Fox. Do you think that said Foxtrot?
Oh, maybe. It was the 30s.
Mm-hmm. I'll put all this safely back for... Because somewhere in this box there is a picture of a piano, the keys, isn't there? Very much like there is on this one, and we're going to make a piano for the main doll's house.
Yeah.
Not like this, I think it'll be an upright one.
Yes, I think that may be a little bit complicated. But maybe we could use that on our own piano.
Mm-hmm.
You're not actually on the screen.
Do you want the top, that bit?
Yeah. Still too tall.
Right. Here's our Christmas Carol sheet music.
Is that dry yet?
I'd say that's dry enough to put...
Stuffing in.
Yeah.
And stuffing. Some Ferry acorn stuffing.
Lovely. Stuffing or lid with fabric and stuffing, so because you know quite often piano stalls you could
Yeah, but I figured it
put
would be
stuff
difficult
inside.
because yeah, I know, but well, yeah, it's very small sheet music. Well, if you want to do that, fair enough.
I don't know, I feel like that would be cute.
Go on then. I don't know what you're going to use as a lid though to stuff on top of.
Piece of thin wood.
Well, you could just use cardboard, couldn't you?
Oh, I could use cardboard. Do we have any cardboard? All those boxes.
We've got lots of boxes. So you just cover that whole thing in fabric.
Yeah, and some padding.
Mm-hmm. Do you want the yellow velvet then?
Ooh, yes. Then it will go with the fireplace. So, I'm going to glue down all but one end.
Do you know how to do that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, you do.
I do, of course I do. Where's the stop? And that makes it taller too.
Mm-hmm.
Am I hinging it? Or are we just having a lid?
Ooh, I don't know.
Might just have a lid for now.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, I put the other Christmas tree in.
nice.
I don't know if you want it there or not, but I put it
I
there.
don't know if it might be a bit busy.
Shall I put? I would like to put it in there though,
Mm-hmm.
because I don't know. My idea is that we just build up a collection of different Christmas trees over the years, and then the dolls' houses will just be filled. Our dolls' house, you will have like a one for every box room.
Mm-hmm.
Think about it.
Where's the piano going to go?
There.
Yeah, because I think we're going to have the table out at the front with
Yeah.
dolls around it. For the
Or
Christmas
to
dinner.
one side, because
Yeah.
otherwise it blocks everything.
Mhm.
Oh, let's not do it the mounted side around.
So there is the piano baby. New edition.
It's quite funny.
So of course we are going to have to think of some stuff to put on top of the piano.
Yeah, put the...
That makes no sense.
Or put the trumpet on there, and then they can play the trumpet with the piano.
Mm-hmm. Cute. So that was day 8 of Minimas. I think we're going to be making some fabric furnishings and stockings and the like tomorrow. Thank you for every single like, comment. It all means everything to us. We're quite chuffed with how it's coming along so far.
Oh, it's cute.
So we've just got to open our advent calendar now for day 8. December 8.
Oh, it's a little plate.
Oh my gosh, it looks like, what's it called?
The Jolliker.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow, they're so pretty.
Look at those.
Yeah, beautiful. One of them could go on the piano.
They can. Yeah, I want to make little plate hooks for the wall.
Oh.
They're beautiful.
Yeah, because we've got to decorate them.
Yeah, and they would go really
they would
well.
go with the colours go really, really
Yeah.
well.
Okay, so they will
They could go over
definitely
the mantelpiece.
be going on the wall in the Christmas room. And then after Christmas they will be going in. Well, I want one for my doll's house. Oh, can we separate them now? Well, thank you very much. They are amazing, and for now they will definitely be going in the Christmas room. Look at the detail.